Welcome to this video where I will cover the basic elements of the Autodesk Revit user interface. After you start Revit, you see the recent file window. The top row here lists any project on which you've been working on. The bottom row lists any families with which you've been working. On the left we have model, where you can either open an existing model or create a new model file. Below we have families, where you can create a new family file or open an existing family. To create a new model file, click on new. This now opens the new project dialog. In the new project dialog, you can create a project from any of these pre-existing Revit templates, or you can create a new project template from here. So here we have the imperial and the metric template. For this, I will select the metric architectural template and I will click on OK. This now opens the Revit view window. The Revit interface is divided into various sections. Here at the top we have the title bar. To the left we have the quick access toolbar. Below we have the ribbon. A series of tabs is built inside the ribbon. Each tab contains a panel, and each panel contains specific tools. Here below we have the property palette, which displays the variable of items you are adding to the model. Below we have project browser. The project browser is divided into different categories: the floor plan, the ceiling plan, the 3D views, and the elevations. If you click on file here, you open the application menu. So we have new here, which allows us to create a new project or a new family and other file type. Here we have open to open a project file or a family file or other file types. Here we have save, where we can save our current file. Below we have export, where we can export to other file formats. Below we have print, to be able to print our sheets or views. Here we can close a current project or window. Below we have options, which leads us to the Revit settings. Below here we have the view control bar, where we can actually change our current scale or change our detail levels and visual styles.